Howdy folks, I'm Keith Bowen. This is Hard Rock University up here at Montana Bee again with the beautiful view. It was storming earlier, now it's cleared out, probably storm again this afternoon. At least it keeps it cool. Now I want to show you what solution I did to a problem we have. Now we've got with this Harbor Freight 110 volt winch here, which 1,500 pounds pull. We're hauling like a 200 pound load at the most. Plenty of capacity, but there's a problem. Has a limited spool capacity and it's kind of slow. Now we were getting to the point where we were actually kind of at the limit of the safe distance of the cable, and so I did something to both essentially double the reach of the cable and double the speed of the hoist. Now as I instruct my beautiful hoistman to start raising, note the speed with which this winch raises that pulley compared to the speed at which that carriage comes up out of the hole. Hit it. That's the speed at which the winch works. But look at how much faster that carriage is moving. It's moving at twice the speed, and we now have twice the depth because that cable is actually hoisting the carriage is anchored down there, and I'll show you that in a minute. And that allows us to pick up the carriage again at twice the speed and twice the ultimate distance, which in our case, pretty significant. So I'll go down there and show you the anchorage in a minute. Let me get this thing unloaded first. So here I am at the working level. There's the bottom of our ladder track. And what we did was we made a special piece that's got this reinforced rung here. I wrapped a way big oversized thimble around it. It's just exactly the right size to fit around that rung. And then clamped the cable. Now you notice there's extra cable over here. As we go deeper, we can continue on down even further. I think Eva said to get down here now she's only using half her spool, which is good. But anyhow, let me show you how it works. Okay, so here we have a full load of buckets. Those are probably 30 pounds each, somewhere around there, maybe 35. So we got 120 pounds of buckets, about 20-30 pounds of carriage and hardware, so about 150 pounds. Double that, you're going to be pulling about 300 pounds or so on that cable, but that's well with, I mean that's only 20% of the capacity of the winch, so it shouldn't be a problem. Anyhow, hoist away! I don't know if I've had video of this before, but for any of you who've seen how slow that winch was, that's a dramatic improvement. Doubling the productivity and doubling the reach. All with a little reinforcement there, some cable, a pulley, the other little bits and pieces of hardware, less than $100 of stuff. So, happy prospecting, and keep it safe out there.